All right, so the last thing that we have to go over with respect to the writing assignments is how to identify that you have a full paper. Okay, so you'll notice that in my requirements, I say it cannot be a review article, communication article, or letter. It must be a full paper. So what does that mean, full paper? Well, I'm just on the Journal of American Chemical Society website. I'm just gonna pick, a random issue here, and we're gonna look. Okay, you'll see an issue. It has different things. Okay, different types of articles written in it. One is this journal has spotlights. Okay, that's just advertising their work. You don't want that. Perspectives. That's like people's opinions about things, science opinions. You don't want that. We want original research. Communications. We want original research that's in the full paper format. Communications are original research. Okay, so let's open this up, but it's not allowed for the homework assignments. Why? Communications are typically very short papers and they're written in a different way. Okay, um, you'll see that a communication typically, like for JAX, is written in a way that it's just one block of text. Okay, there's not a separate conclusion section, a separate results and discussion section, an experimental section, and an introduction. There is an abstract, but other than that, it's one block of text. So communications are typically um, reported or published if there's some particular urgency for that information to be out. Okay. And usually they will be followed up later on by a full paper in which the science is investigated more in detail and some of the questions, there's maybe some questions that are unanswered. So we see for Journal American Chemical Society, JAX, it says right here, communication. So if you Google onto a paper that's a communication, somewhere on it says communication. That's not allowed for this homework assignment, okay? Um, another, so these are all communications here, okay? Another very common one, so, but what about like these ones, okay? Let's look. Here it says communication still, see? Still communications. I'm still in communications. So let me try to go down here. All right, here it says article in parentheses. So I think I've made it into the articles. And yeah, see here it says article. If I go to the PDF, now I'm in article. So this is what it has different names, full paper, full article, article, paper, okay. But it cannot use the word communication and it should have well-defined sections here. Introduction, right? Results and discussions. That they all vary a little bit by name. Sometimes the results and discussion are separated. Here is at the end conclusion. Okay, so but key thing is it says article here. It doesn't say communication. All right, and then the last. So those are the type of papers that you want. The last type of papers that there are reviews. I'm just going to control F for reviews. Let's see. I guess there aren't JAX reviews. I forget these things. But if I type in review on erbium, I don't know, I've been doing erbium for some reason. Erbium chemistry. Okay. And let's see, I should probably do this in Google Scholar so I don't get shopping results. Right. So if I go reviews on erbium, here we go. Near IR emissive erbium quinolinolate complexes. Fine. This is actually in a journal that makes it very obvious. This journal only has reviews. It's coordination chemistry reviews. Some journals, though, okay, let's look at this one. Oh, that's a communication from JAX. Physical review B, okay. What about this? Applied physics letters. This looks like it's a actual text. Just looking at this, this is a full paper. So you could do this. This is not coming up with a review. Yeah, in this work. And so this work we report on. So it's not like they're doing original research. It's not like they're just saying all the different things that other people are doing. Okay. Um, and so a review is just a book report. Okay, here's one. Um, mini review, which just means a small book report, right? And if you go through this, you'll see that this is one that we don't have access to. This instrumentation, science, and technology, UNR does not have access to it. So I cannot read that one without contacting a librarian. If I really wanted to, a librarian could get it from me, but I don't really care. I'm just clicking around. Here is one, few mode erbium doped fiber amplifiers. So if I want to learn about erbium fiber amplifiers, okay, it looks like I can't. Journal of Lightwave Technology. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. The point is here that if you read this, you'll very quickly see it's not about original research. It's a review paper. It's a book report about what's out there. Very, very useful, but not what I want you to be reading for this homework assignment, okay? I want you to be looking at only full papers, not communications, not reviews, not perspectives or opinion pieces. All right.